Hi, this is a retrospective template. The purpose of this retrospective is to plan ways to increase quality and effectiveness. The retrospective event or ceremony actually was born from our agile project management world. But what I've found, retrospectives are very helpful in many facets of things that we do anytime we're looking to incrementally improve. A retrospective meeting is according to the agile ways of working or the scrum framework. The retrospective occurs at the end of every iteration or sprint. But again, we can use this in many different ways. And there's really three different questions that we would ask in a retrospective. One, the very first question we would ask is, what worked well over this last iteration or over this last pass or over this last sprint? What worked well? And we would capture that information because that's what we want to do or duplicate again in the next iteration moving forward. The second question we would ask is, what could be improved? And with respect to the last pass or the last iteration, we would document that here. And this could actually become a very long list. But the third question we want to ask is, what will we commit to doing better the next time? And this is where we would lay in our action items that align to those items that we could improve. We would put in some action items that are associated with those, and we would tie an owner to that. One comment here, your listing of items that could be improved could be very large. And what you want to do is really just pick the top 2 or 3 items that you should develop action plans for to implement that change in the next iteration or in the next sprint. If this list is very long, trying to implement all of those changes into the next iteration or sprint could be very problematic because you're introducing too much change at one point in time. So now let's take a look at what a completed example might look like. So here's one for a training course. We can see the things that were listed here with respect to the items that worked well. We can see this was what that was documented, what could be improved. And then finally, there were some action items that were created to created here for the next iteration or the next sprint. Then these folks have committed to doing these things better on the next time around. And you'll notice we have owners assigned to each one of those actions to ensure that they get implemented. So I hope this retrospective template helps you.